What if your classroom observations, those first days of school, are collecting the wrong information and missing important data, missing what really matters? I'm going to share with you a learning walk framework for the first days of school that can transform brief classroom visits into powerful data collection information. Powerful data information that can really transform these small pieces into opportunities for student achievement. Our Leader's Guide, a learning walk framework within the first days of school, really hones in on collecting and giving feedback on classroom management, behavior management, just the overall classroom environment. We also have some follow-up protocols that you can use with your teachers that maximize the brief classroom visits that you do these first days of school. Imagine conducting these short visits in 7, no more than 10 minutes to be able to affirm the practices that are taking place within the classroom environment, or to be able to give some just-in-time feedback so that you're going to move the needle with instruction and be able to help teachers make informed instructional decisions because you're already there, you're in there. Principals who use structured learning walk tools specifically during those first days of school gather 3.5 times more actionable data than traditional sources, and over 70% more confidence in their instructional leadership decisions. Because if you're in the classroom those first days of school, you're going to make an impact on the classroom environment in a positive way. As John Wooden says so eloquently in his quote, "It's the little details that are vital. Little things make big things happen." The Learning Walks framework helps you capture in those first pivotal days of school the details of classroom environment that drive student achievement. Imagine the confidence of making instructional decisions based on systematic data starting off with that classroom environment phase than anecdotal impressions or the loudest voices, because you know those teams where you'll have teachers that are like, "Miss So-and-so, that class is out of control." Well, if you're able to get in there early using a framework to be able to give that feedback on classroom environment, you're really going to make a difference in the first days of school. What's one area of focus for classroom visits this year? How could you utilize this tool to really get in there, move the needle, and make a difference in the first days or weeks of school? Check out our responsive learning website, Leaders Minute, for this tool. Also, one of our content partners with the T-Test Black Book can help you with the look-fors. Go to our website to find these resources. Guys, the first days, first weeks of school matter. You've got this.